right on your home screen, you have the whiteboard available over here. On the whiteboard, there are all the functionalities for your usage, wherein when we talk about the different pen usage, you have the right option over here. You can easily manage the thickness of the pen. You can even erase anything. Let me give you an example that I am teaching a topic in the class which is speed. Let's say I highlight the topic as speed over here, and if I want to reduce the thickness and now explain a specific formula, let's say I define now I have written the formula over here. You see that with ease of thickness, you can easily explain all the concepts quite easily. You have the eraser right over here. With a click of a button, you can erase whatever has been written on the whiteboard. That's how easy removing anything or erasing anything on the whiteboard is. You have different color options to highlight your explanations. You have different shapes through which you can facilitate all the explanations quite easily. There is easier voice assist or voice commands to support your teaching, such as setting a timer or randomly dividing the students in different groups. Apart from that, the basic usage or basic functionalities such as undo or redo. Now while we are doing all of these things, sometimes this happens that as a teacher, you've utilized the entire whiteboard. It does not really restrict you at all from your teaching, because we have multiple page integrations over here through which you can easily navigate between different screens or different pages right over here. Now while you see that it's quite easy in using or explaining through the whiteboards, the same time it's also auto saved. So in scenarios when you're continuously teaching in the class and the class ends, you can start right where you ended the previous day. If you see over here, I simply click on continue from previous lecture and the whiteboard gets reopened. You have a detailed repository of all of these whiteboards through which you can access all the whiteboard lectures whichever were conducted in the classroom. Now all of these whiteboard lectures are available with you as a teacher, and let's say it's something an important topic that you've discussed in the classroom and now you want to share the same with your students. For the same whiteboard, you have a specific option of publish to classroom through which it can be shared as a study material with the students as well. Now specific to whiteboards, we've seen that this is a classroom specific whiteboard, but we've also given you functionality of lesson specific whiteboards within your lessons, which also maintains history of all the lectures that you've conducted. That's how easy it is to use whiteboard right on the interactive flat panel or your classroom device over here. Thank you.